Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will solve exercise 7H from new syllabus 1. This is very easy and important chapter, so let's solve. The first question says, what are the four consecutive numbers whose sum is 50? তাহলে আমরা চারটা consecutive number ধরে নিব. So let four consecutive numbers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. So the question says, if we add these four numbers, it will give 50. That means x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 will give 50. Then if we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 4x plus 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6 equal to 50. Then we need to find out the value of x. So 4x will be 50 minus 6 or 4x will be 44. Then the value of x will be 44 by 4. That means 11. So অনেকে কি করে এখানে আনসার রেখে চলে আসে, কিন্তু এখানে আনসার রাখলে কিন্তু হবে না। The question says what are the four consecutive numbers? So তোমাকে four consecutive number কিন্তু বলে আসতে হবে। So therefore we can say four consecutive numbers are, so numbers are, এটা কিন্তু লাস্টে ফাইনাল আনসার হিসেবে অবশ্যই বলতে হবে। So numbers are 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, I hope you understand this one properly. Now number two says if our number is treble, so একটা নাম্বার আমরা ধরে নিব always let the number be, এই কথাটা লিখতে হবে, let the number be x, then if our number, that means ওই x নাম্বারটাকে ট্রিপল করা হলো, so that means thrice x. Treble means 3 times. It gives the same result, equal. Same result means equal as when 28 is added to it. That means when x এর সাথে 28 add করব. So the question asks, what is the number? Simple. So thrice x minus x equal to 28. Then 2x should be 28. Then what is the value of x? 28 by 2. 28 কে 2 দিয়ে divide করলে we will get 14. So 14 হলো এমন একটা নাম্বার যাকে treble, that means 3 টাইম করলে it will give the same result যখন এটার সাথে 28 অ্যাড করা হবে। Now number 3 says when a number, so একটা নাম্বার কি হবে, let the number be x, is added, that means plus, to another number 5 times as large. That means এখানে দুইটা নাম্বারে কথা বলা আছে, একটা নাম্বার যেটা হলো x and another number that is 5x. Okay, 5 times. So x plus 5x. The result is 24 equal 24. So what is the first number? তাহলে x plus 5x will be 6x equal to 24. Then the value of x will be 24 by 6. So if we divide 24 by 6, it will be 4. So the first number is 4. Okay, that is the solution of number 3. Number 4 says Joe and Ahmed had 80 marbles altogether. Ahmed has 4 times as many marbles as Joe. How many marbles does each boy have? এখানে একটা খুব important part, that is Ahmed has 4 times as many marbles as Joe. That means the number of marbles of Ahmed will depend on the number of marbles of Joe. Joe এর মার্বেল উপর ডিপেন্ড করে আহমেদের মার্বেল কেমন হবে। আহমেদের মার্বেল 4 times of Joe. So আমি ফার্স্টে ধরে নিব let Joe has x marbles. Then Ahmed has 4 times. So Ahmed has 4x marbles. So according to the question, we can say তাদের দুজনে একসাথে 80 মার্বেল আছে। So we can say x plus 4x equal to 8. Then 5x will be 80. Then what will be the value of x? 80 divided by 5, that will be 16. তাহলে এই x এর ভ্যালু 16, that means Joe has 16 marbles. And what about the Ahmed's marble? Ahmed has 4 multiplied by 16 marbles. That means 4 16 ja 64 marbles. Okay, So that is the solution of number 4. I hope you understand this one properly. Now, number 5. Number 5 says, Arasu is 4 years older than Peter. So if I say let age of the Peter is X years old, then Arasu will be X plus 4 years. Okay. Cano? Because Arasu is 4 years older than Peter. So Peter যদি X হয়, Arasu হবে X plus 4. Ali is 2 years younger than Peter. Our Ali's age হলো 2 years younger than Peter. That means X minus 2. And the question is the sum of their ages. That means if we add all these values, that means X plus 4 plus X minus 2, it will give 47. So what are their respective ages? So we need to add X thrice X plus 4 minus 2 will be 2 equal to 47. Then thrice X should be 47 minus 2 or thrice X equal to 45. Then what will be the value of X? 45 by 3 equal to 50. Okay. তাহলে আমি এখানে তিনজনের ভ্যালু পাচ্ছি। So what is the age of the Peter? So Peter will be 15 years old. 15 years old. Then Arasu হলো যে পিটার চেয়ে 4 বছরের বড়, 4 years older. So Arasu's age হবে 15 plus 4, that means 19 years. 19 years. And Ali's age হবে 15 minus 2, that will be 30 years. Okay. So the respective age হলো 15, 19 and 30. Okay. I hope তোমরা ভালো করে ম্যাথটা বুঝতে পেরেছো। Now, number 6. Number 6 is Lillian and Susan shared $30 between themselves. That means তাদের একসাথে টোটাল $30 আছে এবং তারা এটা শেয়ার করবে। If Susan gets twice as much as Lillian, that means সুজানের অ্যামাউন্ট লিলিয়ানের অ্যামাউন্টের ডাবল, তাই না? So find each girl's age. So আমরা এখানে বলবো let Lillian has X dollar, then what will be the amount of the Susan? Susan has twice X dollar. And according to the question, we can say total share should be 30. That means X plus 2X will be 30. Then thrice X will be 30. Then what will be the value of X? X should be 30 by 3. That means X will be $10. তাহলে লিলিয়ানের অ্যামাউন্ট কত? So Lillian has $10 and Susan got 2X, that means 2 multiplied by 10 equal to $20. Okay. তাহলে তারা $10 এবং $20 এইভাবে তারা এটা শেয়ার করে নিবে। Now, number 7. Number 7 says, when loaded with bricks, a lorry weighs 11,600 kg. When loaded, that means যখন ব্রিকগুলো লোড করা হবে লরির সাথে, then total weight হবে 11,600 kg. If the bricks weigh 3 times as heavy as the empty lorry, that means কোশ্চেনে বলেছে empty lorry যদি আমি weight বের করি, that means weight of empty lorry is X kg, then what about the weight of bricks? So bricks will be 3 times. That means thrice X kg. And we'll say when loaded with bricks, that means brick plus lorry, that means according to the question we can say thrice X plus X equal to 11,600. Now we need to find out the value of X. So 4X equal to 11,600, or X should be 11,600 by 4. So what is the value of X? If we divide 4 to the 8, 3 will be left, 36, 4 9 36, 0. That means weight of empty lorry is 2,900 kg and weight of bricks will be 2,900 multiplied by 3 kg. So it will be 300, 3 9 27, We have 2, 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8. 8,700 kg. So what is the weight of the bricks? Weight of the bricks will be 8,700 kg. And that is the solution of number 7. Now, number 8. Number 8 says, when a number is added to 2/3 of itself, the result is 45. That means a number is x. Let a number be x. When this x, that means the number, is added, plus, to 2/3 of itself, that means 2/3 of x, the result equal 45. That means, যদি সাজিয়ে লিখি, a number x is added, that means plus 2/3 of itself, that means 2/3 of x will give the result 45. Now the question asks to find out the number. So how can you solve? 3 is the denominator here. 3 multiplied by x thrice x plus 2x equal to 45. Then thrice x plus 2x will have 5x by 3 equal to 45. Then what will be the value of x? Here 45 multiplied by 3 by 5. Now divide 45 by 5. If we cancel 45 by 5, it will be 9. So final answer should be 9 3 is 27. That means the number will be 27. And ওই নাম্বারের সাথে যদি 2/3 of itself, that means 2/3 of 27 add করা হয়, it will give the result 45. তাহলে final answer হলো 27. I hope you understand this one properly. Now, number 9. Number 9 says the numerator of a fraction is 5 less than the denominator. That means যদি denominator x হয়, তাহলে numerator হবে x minus 5. তাহলে fractionটা কি হবে? আবারও বলি, numerator is 5 less than the denominator. So denominator হলো x. Numerator will be x minus 5. If we add 1 with both numerator and denominator, that means x minus 5 by x, this is the fraction. If we add 1, যদি আমরা 1 add করি, it will give 2 by 3. আমাদের এটা কত দিবে? 2 by 3. Now the question asks you to find out the fraction. Now আমরা solve করি. So x minus 5 plus 1 will be minus 4 by x plus 1 equal to 2 by 3. Now do the cross multiplication. So 3 into x minus 4 equal to 2 into x plus 1. তাহলে কি হবে? Thrice x minus 12 equal to 2x plus 2. So আমি twice x যদি এই পাশে নিয়ে আসি, so thrice x minus 2x will give us 2 plus 12. That means x should be 2 plus 12, that is 14. So অনেকে কি করে যে এইখানে আনসার রেখে চলে আসে, এটা ভুল কাজ, কারণ কোশ্চেনে বলেছে ফাইন্ড দ্য ফ্র্যাকশন, সো ইউ শুড ফাইন্ড আউট দ্য ফ্র্যাকশন, এই জন্য মার্কস কমে যায়। সো fraction will be what is the fraction? X minus 5 by x. So 14 minus 5 by 14, that is 9 by 14. Okay, so I hope you understand this one properly. This is the very important question of this chapter. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.